Are you getting the Libcurl Debug Library DLL error after the Curl project update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. I've linked the primary utility for Libcurl Debug Library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Libcurl Debug Library, the Debug variant of the standard Curl Network Transfer Library. It is used by developers to track SSL and TLS handshake failures and localized socket errors. If reported missing by a consumer app, it indicates an improper production build. Placing a renamed retail libcurl.dll in the app folder often bypasses the error. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. If you see a Libcurl Debug Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Curl project subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Libcurl Debug Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. A vital technical reminder: modifying Libcurl Debug Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Libcurl Debug Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Libcurl Debug Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.